ganito, pagkaharap ko yung kaso, ang una kong tanungin, do I have jurisdiction to prosecute this case? Or is the court, does it fall within the jurisdiction of the court where it is being tried? Tinang ko nga, jurisdiction. Alam mo, People versus Enrile versus Tovera, sabi ng Supreme Court, publication of a law, especially a criminal statute, must be published. If you do not publish it, there is no law at all. It is as if there is nothing in